Okay, so now we're on the bot settings page. Let's talk about market crash recovery. So there's three things we're going to cover here. What is market crash recovery? When should I use market crash recovery? And then how do I set it up? So first, market crash recovery is designed to help you to continue trading in profit even when the market drops severely. 90% or more, market crash recovery will allow you to continue trading and closing in profit. Phenomenal. Now, the question is, when should you use it? Well, market crash recovery recognizes that there's still profit to be made, even if the market has dropped severely, 60, 70, 80%, there's still a market there. And so how do we extract profit out of that market? Well, when you enable market crash recovery, how much USDT do you want to give to market crash recovery? So let's talk about when you use market crash recovery. You want to use it when all 38 covers have been exhausted and all the funds that you've assigned for this particular bot have been used up. And we'll help by sending notifications to give you an alert that says, hey, you may want to consider enabling market crash recovery. Okay, so the question here is, well, how much should I assign to market crash recovery? Well, that decision is entirely up to you because there are no minimums. So you decide whatever you want to apply here to market crash recovery. The great thing is that it will take 90% of the profit and apply it to your original trade. And that's going to do a couple of things. It's going to help close that trade in profit faster than if you didn't have market crash recovery working for you. And then, of course, the other 10% is pure profit that goes right into your USDT balance. So you're seeing real profit in real time, and you're helping to close that initial trade with 90% of the profits made by finding where the market is and working in that market. You do not have to set up a budget for USDT for market crash recovery at the time that you're setting up the trade. Decide whatever you want to assign to this bot and use that budget. You can also assign a market crash recovery budget, but you absolutely do not have to. You can wait until the opportunity presents itself and then assign the appropriate budget, whatever you decide. Once you've done that, let's say we wanted to make it $100. You simply hit save, and now we've enabled market crash recovery. You can see that checkbox here. Once we do that, you'll notice that there is now an entirely different section of covers. I'm not going to get into the details on this here, but I wanted to answer those three questions. What is market crash recovery? Helps you stay in profit even in the most severe trading situations. How do I use it? How do I set it up? You simply check this box, decide what you want to assign in USDT, and hit save. And when should I use it? Well, you should use it when you've exhausted the 38 covers that are part of your initial trade. How will you know? Because EazyBot's going to send you a notification. It says, heads up, you may want to consider enabling market crash recovery. We hope you enjoy this new feature.